Welcome to Over 60 Inspiration. What if one day, you needed help, and no one was there to answer your call? No children nearby. No spouse. No caregiver. Just silence. Millions of seniors today are aging alone. And while independence is powerful, it can also be dangerous if you're not prepared. But here's the truth. Living alone in old age does not mean living helplessly. Today, I'm going to share 5 life-saving tips every senior must know to stay safe, independent, and in control, even if no one is there to care for you. Stay with me, because tip number 4 could literally save your life. Older adult intro. As we grow older, our bodies change. Balance weakens. Reaction time slows. Health risks increase. And emergencies can happen in seconds. But the biggest risk isn't aging. It's being unprepared. Let's change that, starting now. White heavy checkmark tip number 1, build a daily safety check system. If you live alone, silence can be dangerous. One of the simplest life-saving habits is creating a daily check-in routine. This could mean calling a friend every morning. Sending a simple, "I'm okay," text to a neighbor. Using a medical alert device with automatic fall detection. Setting up a daily alarm reminder that someone expects you to respond to. If you don't check in, someone checks on you. It sounds simple. But this one habit has saved thousands of seniors from lying unnoticed after falls or medical emergencies. Independence doesn't mean isolation. White heavy checkmark tip number 2, fall-proof your home immediately. Did you know that falls are one of the leading causes of injury in seniors? And most of them happen at home. Look around your house right now. Loose rugs. Slippery bathroom floors. Poor lighting. Cluttered walkways. Small changes make a huge difference. Install grab bars in bathrooms. Use non-slip mats. Improve lighting in hallways. Keep your phone within reach at all times. Prevention is easier than recovery. And one fall can change everything. White heavy checkmark tip number 3, organize your medical information. Imagine paramedics arriving, and you can't explain your medical history. Do you have a list of medications? Emergency contacts? Known allergies? Doctor information? Keep everything written clearly in one place. Better yet, store it on your refrigerator. Keep a printed copy in your wallet. Inform a trusted neighbor where it is. Preparation gives you power, even in emergencies. White heavy checkmark tip number 4, never ignore loneliness, it's a health risk. This might surprise you. Loneliness isn't just emotional. Research shows chronic loneliness increases the risk of heart disease, depression, memory decline, early death. Human connection is not optional, it's essential. Join a local senior group, a community center activity, religious gatherings, online video chat groups, volunteer programs. Even one meaningful conversation per day can protect your mental and physical health. Living alone should never mean feeling alone. White heavy checkmark tip number 5, plan for the future before it's urgent. Many seniors avoid this conversation. But it's one of the most powerful steps you can take. Do you have a will? A power of attorney? A healthcare directive? Financial planning in place? Planning ahead reduces fear, stress, and uncertainty. It ensures your wishes are respected, even if you cannot speak for yourself. Control your future, before someone else has to. If no one is there to care for you in old age, you can still care for yourself wisely. You can prepare. You can protect. You can stay independent. You can stay strong. Aging alone is not a weakness. being unprepared is. And now, you are prepared. If this video helped you, share it with someone who may need it. You might save a life. Also subscribe.